Mr. Rocky has some old fuel, which we'll need to pump out, but it's funny how old fuel, it just with ethanol does not last. And it requires a false rich mixture because it doesn't last. Anyway, today we are welcome to a drive in 1960 Bugeye called Rocky. Sweet little car, very nicely restored. Now let's go out and put it through its paces. So fuel is so critical with these old cars. They will run on almost anything. They're very flexible, but you can always tell a car with old fuel because it requires more choke than you would think it should need. And that's because you sort of have a false lean condition because the gas is old. So you can burn this gas and it runs well, but it can be difficult to start. So when they get bad enough, we pump them out. Pump them out and start with fresh gas, but in this case there's nothing wrong with this gasoline. It's nice to burn it, and that's a better use of it than throwing it away or recycling it. It's easier to just use it in this form if you can get away with it. It's a problem we all share. Anyway, 948 stock Bugeye. Guys are so much fun, so much personality, and so flingable. Kind of the most fun you can have with about 45 horsepower. This one has no sway bar in the front, no anti-roll bar, and I can tell from doing that little turn so many times that this one has a bit more body roll, but it's all part of the fun. If that's something you want upgraded, we can do that. We sell those anti-roll bars in our parts catalog, and they make a nice difference. The Hobbit Tunnel. Car idles nicely. Put our lights on for a little more visibility for other motorists. Of course, with Bugeyes, you have one indicator, right or left. And that's really where these cars are so special. Around town, little nothing turns that suddenly become quite a fun experience, courtesy of your little Bugeye. Get on the brakes in these cars hard. They perform nicely. Disc or drum, you can really stop quickly if you push. People are so used to power brakes now, but with a lot of pedal effort, you can really stop Bugeyes quickly. These are tires from 2012. They're totally fine, but they are technically aged out. They're too old, so new tires are certainly available, and they give even better grip under hard braking and under hard turns. have a little bit of shade. Thank you for coming with us today for a drive in our Bugeye from Bugeye Guy.